Hey guys, welcome back to Gold's Garage. Today I got my Toro push mower in here. We've had about 12 inches of rain in the past week, and so I'm needing to cut my grass real bad. As you can see, it's pretty tall. It needs to be cut. Anyhow, so here's my Toro Recycler, and what happened is my cable for my self-propelled gearbox broke. And so last time I used it, I actually just rigged it up with a piece of wire just to get enough tension to operate the self-propelled. But I got the new cable here, and so that's what we are going to be replacing. The way this works, it's super simple. There is a hook down here. That springlet that will take off. We'll take this little plastic cover off first. And then this little, the cable piece will actually just pop out of this cover. I'll have to loosen up this bolt here to get the cable out itself, and then I'll just cut that off and get it all in place. So let's get started. Alright guys, so now we just need to adjust the cable here. So we're going to pull a little tension out of it. Make sure when I'm squeezing it, it's going to fully activate our self-propelled mechanism here. And let's see, a little too tight right there, so let's loosen it up just a hair. Slide this back out. Just a little bit. And that ought to work. So all I'm going to do is put a zip tie back here again on these two to hold them in place. And, oops, there we go. And that ought to do it for this. Like I said, this is a short and sweet one. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And catch you next time. Thanks, guys.